Page 12, Blueberry Pie. It's just some more practice at using these notes in the left hand that we've been using. I'll look it over. It's 2 lines long, bass clef, 4/4 time signature. I see quarter notes, half notes, and whole notes. Starting out with 5th finger on F, that puts the hand here. Again, you don't need any other finger numbers. I don't understand why they're giving you these other finger numbers, but you don't need them. You just, once you know where you are, then you're there. And I try and play it. It's a bunch of S at the beginning. Through and I'll play the whole thing, make sure I can play it okay. I go back over, get rid of any hesitations, and I can do this without looking at the keyboard. And. Then I can add the articulation. And of course, they're not showing any, there's no staccatos, but phrasing is part of articulation. I told you already about, and hold down, about sentences and phrasing. So now I want to know where the phrases are. Where are the musical sentences? Where are the musical thoughts? A complete thought, more or less. And I have to play the melody quickly to hear them. I can't hear them slowly. Here. So to me, then every 2 measures ends up being a sentence, a thought. So I'm going to lift up between them by taking a breath. Silence separating the musical sentences, the phrases. And the natural accents, 1, 2, 3, 4. Feel the natural accents also. Now remember I said early on in natural accents, so you don't remember, it doesn't matter, I'm going to tell you again. There's a lot of different natural accents. The strongest natural accent there is the first beat of a measure. Regardless of the time signature, it's always the first beat of a measure. That's the strongest. But there can be other natural accents. And in 4/4 time, there is another one on beat 3. It's not as strong as beat 1, but it's there. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. It's almost like 2/2 time, except in 2/2 time, both natural accents are the same. 1, 2. 1, 2, 1, 2. And in 4/4 time, it's not. It's 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. They're different. So if you want to start putting in the natural accents on 4/4 time on the 3rd beat, it's just not as loud as the 1st beat. Here. Feel this, it's like walking, boom, 1, 2, left, right, whatever it is, in 4/4 time. Try and feel these now in 4/4 time when you're doing the natural accents. Now once you can play this slowly with no hesitations, let's play it together and check that you have the correct notes and rhythms. Now I will put in the phrasing. I don't know about, I'll try and feel the natural accents, but I don't exaggerate them. I'll give us 4 counts. 1, 2, ready, go. 4. 2, 3, 4. 4. 2, 3, 4, off.